Give me 3 minutes of your time and I will teach you how to tie this with little or no stress. Let's get into it. Let me start by telling you the measurement of the material I'm using for today's tutorial. This is Ankara material and I use just 1 yard, which is 34 in length, to tie this particular style. So you're going to fold a bit inward and place the material on your head the way it is being displayed on the screen, right? So when you place on your head, you're going to grab the two edges, take it to the back and knot it exactly the way you see me do. So I knotted twice in case you do not notice. And why twice is because I want it to be firm so I can work with the excess fabric by the side. So let's go to the next step. I'm going to open up the fabric and fold it into two equal parts the way I displayed on the screen. So after folding into two equal parts like this, you should have something like this. Do you see that? So you're going to use your hand to pleat everything downward the way you see me displayed. Pleat everything downward like this. Then you're going to place the material on your head after you must have used your hand to divide the material into two. Right now, I'm going to arrange the pleats downward the way you see me do, and in the process of arranging it downward, I realized that it couldn't reach the back where I want to tuck it in, so I began to adjust it until I arrive at what I wanted. So I'm going to remove my hand while I use my pin to hold where I use my hand to divide the material earlier. So with that, I could remove my hand and work with other places of the material. So it is already pinned down at that side and it's time for me to arrange this side properly, take it to the back and go secure. When you get to the back with this material, you could either you can either secure with pin or you just tip it in like the way I'm doing. So I just tip in, or you can grab your pin and use it to secure. Right after that, you're going to come to the other side where we have this. So you're going to use your hand to arrange it the way you see me do. Grab this edge downward, grab your pin and tack down. So those are the major and basic steps you need to do this. And if you have watched this length and you find it helpful, you can kindly help me share this video, drop a like and leave a brief comment. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. It is absolutely free. So guys, I'll be joining the curtain for today's tutorial. Until next time we meet, guys, do not forget to practice all that I've taught, because if you just watch and leave, it might skip. Yeah. So grab a material and practice what you have seen. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Let me show you how the back look and the front. And that's it. Peace out, guys. Mwah.